Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can set a custom language or region in your account on Trello. So let's get started right away now, shall we? So head over to Trello.com, log into your account, and here on your home screen, simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner to select settings from the following drop-down menu. Now that is going to take you to your account settings on Atlassian. What you want to do here, guys, is make sure that you select account preferences from that menu here at the top. And after that, simply scroll down a bit till you get to this section here, language and region. So what you want to do, guys, is click on that arrow down icon here where it says time zone and select your preferred time zone. Like for instance, I don't know, India, South America, or the US. And that's basically it. After that, head back to your home screen here on Trello, press F5 on your keyboard if needed to refresh the page, and the changes will be saved automatically, guys. So that's basically it. That's how we change the country and region for account on Trello. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.